Alright guys, in today's video we'll be looking at Alpine Fan Token. So basically Binance will be introducing Alpine Fan Token to the Binance Launchpad. And look, here's the thing. Binance is excited to announce the 27th project on the Binance Launchpad, which is Alpine F1 Team Fan Token with the ticker symbol of ALPINE, Alpine. The token sale for this project will be kickstarting on the 16th of February 2022, 000 AM UTC. And yeah, so that's the thing. And Binance will record user balances, as you can see over here. Binance will record user balances for 5 days from the 16th of February 2022, 00 AM UTC to 21st February 2022, 00 AM UTC. So the final BNB holding amount for each user will be determined as the average for that 5 days. You have to take note of that. You can watch my previous video out about Binance Launchpad to get more insight on how to go about this stuff. If not, you'll be left out. And the Alpine token sale detail. Here's the Alpine token sale detail. So the token name is Alpine F1 Team Fan Token with the ticker symbol of ALPINE, Alpine. And the Launchpad hard cap is $4 million US, while the hard cap per user is 10,000 US dollars. That is 10 Alpine. That is basically trying to say the number of 1 Alpine is going to be equivalent to $1. So basically no participant in this pre-sale will be able to get more than $10,000 worth of Alpine. That is 10,000 Alpine token. And the total token supply is 40 million Alpine token, and the total token allocation, as you can see over here, total token allocation allocated to this Binance Launchpad is 4 million. That is 10% of the total supply. Public sale token price is 1 Alpine equals 1 USD. I already told you guys about that earlier. So in BNB determine, yeah. So token sale format is subscription. You have to kind of commit your BNB, like you have to leave your BNB in your spot wallet, futures wallet, or wherever it is in your Binance account. Just leave it there. They're going to take the snapshot, but hopefully you should transfer your BNB to your spot wallet before the subscription phase kickstart. You understand? Okay, so supported section is BNB only. That is, you can only commit your BNB, no other token. And here's the thing. The subscription timeline preparation phase is kickstarting on the 16th of February 2021. That is 00 AM UTC to on the 21st of February 2021, 00 AM UTC. And the subscription period will be kickstarting on the 21st of February 2021, 6 AM UTC to on the 21st of February 2021, 9 AM UTC. Subscription will be open at this time for all eligible users. For you to be eligible to participate in this Launchpad, you have to have your Binance account verified. You understand? Your Binance account needs to be verified. You have to have I think a minimum of 0.1 BNB in your spot account, right? Spot wallet or any other wallet in your Binance account. But basically, from experience, if you ask me, I would say this project usually favors those with higher amount of BNB. Okay, so the calculation period will be kickstarting 9 AM UTC, that is 21st of February 2022 to 10 AM UTC, that is 21st February, that same day, 2022. Subscription closes and token allocation calculation begins. So final token distribution will be kickstarting that same day, which is 10 AM UTC. That is when the final token distribution phase will kickstart. And sometimes it's kind of delay. We witness some delay in the distribution phase, but sometimes it's kind of faster. So that's it. And for you, I'll leave all link to relevant link in the description of this video for you to know more. And I'll be dropping more updates regarding this Launchpad stuff in subsequent time for you to know how to enter. And I think that will be all for now. Sorry about my voice. I'm kind of having a catarrh, and I'm so sorry about that. I will leave the link to this token in the description of this video. Also, I will create another video on how you guys can properly make profit either way from this launchpad, either from Binance BNB coin or from this token. So that will be all for now in this video. My name is Isaac. In case you're new to my channel, consider subscribing before leaving. As always, peace out.